Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to the Banking Help SA YouTube channel. This is how to use EasyEquities on the Capitec app. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the Capitec app and sign into your account. From the home screen, tap Explore Products and Benefits. If you can't see it, scroll down until you find it. Next, scroll until you see the EasyEquities option and then select it. If you want quicker access in the future, you can enable Add to Home to add an EasyEquities shortcut to your Capitec home screen. To continue, go to EasyEquities, then select Allow. You will now leave the Capitec app and be taken to EasyEquities. Log into your existing EasyEquities account or create one if you do not have an account already. Once you signed in, you'll be on the EasyEquities home screen. If you want to make an investment, open the Invest tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, choose the type of investment that you want, such as equities, EFTs, or crypto assets. Then scroll through the available investments and select the one that you want to buy. If you don't have the required country account for the particular investment, EasyEquities may ask you to activate it before you can continue. Then tap Buy Now. Scroll down and choose whether you want to make a once-off investment or a recurring investment. Then enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares that you wish to buy. Next, choose your preferred buy order type. When you're ready, tap Buy Now to review and confirm the investment. And that is it. That is how to use EasyEquities on the Capitec app. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.